Hello everyone, I am Sonal and today I am sharing my coleslaw salad recipe. Coleslaw salad is a must-have for summers, whether it's a side dish to bring to a family picnic or an easy to make ahead lunch to pack for work. Classic coleslaw brings a fresh, crisp and creamy game changer to the table. So let's get started. But before starting, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. It's an ideal side dish for barbecues or serve with burgers, salad, sandwiches and more. Thrown together in less than 10 minutes, this classic coleslaw consists of basic ingredients plus creamy and delicious dressing that ties it all together. Oh my god, I'm drooling. Can't wait, so I'm gonna go and enjoy my salad. If you have any queries for this recipe, do share it in the comment section below. If you find my videos useful, please do like and subscribe. Your support and faith encourages me to do better. Bye!